Hi guys, welcome to today's session, and today we are going to discuss about the WHO Global Tuberculosis Program. And in this session, we'll first discuss what is TB. Then we'll discuss India's efforts with this regard to contain TB. And then we'll discuss India's annual TB report 2020, and then we'll discuss what are the initiatives by India to contain TB. So this is how I plan this session. Let's now start. Recently, a virtual high-level event on global drive to scale up TB prevention was recently organized by WHO Global Tuberculosis Program, and the purpose of this special high-level event was to discuss key actions needed at the global and country level to scale up TB prevention strategies and drive progress towards achieving the 2022 UN high-level meeting target on TB preventive treatment. And TB is an infectious disease caused by Bacillus mycobacterium tuberculosis. It typically affects the lungs, but can also affect other sites. And the disease is spread when people who are sick with pulmonary TB expel bacteria into air, for example, by coughing. And so that is TB. And now we'll discuss what are India's efforts in this regard according to the Global Tuberculosis Program. India is aggressively implementing its fully funded national strategic plan to end TB. In the last few years, 50 million people have been treated, and India seeks to achieve national scale up of TB preventive statement, and it also seeks to achieve the UN high level meeting targets of 40 million persons started on TB treatment and 30 million globally in the remaining 18 months. And subnational certification of states and districts instituted in 2020. The initiative marks district states UTs on progress towards TB free status under different categories measured with graded milestones of decline in TB incidents. And so this is India's efforts in this regard. We'll now discuss about India's annual TB report at 2020. And if you see India's annual TB report 2020, around 20.04 lakh notified TB patients is in India in 2019, and which is a 14% increase from 2018, and a reduction in number of cases to 2.9 lakh cases as against more than 10 lakh in 2017. And the private sector notifications increased by 35% with 6.78 lakhs TB patients notified, and proportion of children diagnosed with TB increased to 8% in 2019 compared to 6% in 2018. And the provision of HIV testing for all notified TB patients increased from 67% in 2018 to 81% in 2019. And the expansion of treatment services has resulted in a 12% improvement in the treatment success rate of notified patients. For 2019 it is 81% compared to 69% in 2018. And India has an initiative of eliminating TB by 2025, and according to this TB report, India is committed to eliminating tuberculosis from the country by 2025, 5 years ahead of global target by WHO, that is 2030. And this report also states about the National Tuberculosis Elimination Program, which is to align with the ambitious goal. The program has been renamed from the revised National Tuberculosis Control Program to National Tuberculosis Elimination Program. And then we have the state TB index. On the basis of score in the state TB index, Gujarat, Andhra Pradesh and Himachal Pradesh are the top three best performing states for tuberculosis control under the category of states with 50 lakh population. And Tripura and Nagaland were best performing in the category of states having less than 50 lakh population. And Dadra and Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu were selected as best performing union territories. And so this is regarding the report. And the report also mentions about the cause of rising TB in our country. We'll discuss that now. The first point they mentions is the rising tobacco consumption. It is revealed that tobacco consumption is rising among Indian TB patients. 8% of TB cases can be attributable to tobacco usage. And then we have the HIV patients and TB. The people living with HIV are more vulnerable among all those TB patient groups which have other comorbidities. Hence, the World Health Organization lays social emphasis on them. And then we have the HIV associated TB, that is, India accounts for 9% of all HIV associated TB deaths in the world, the second highest number globally, and a total of 92,000 HIV associated TB patients were recorded on an annual basis, and awareness among TB patients about their HIV status has gone up to 81% from 67%. And then we have the diabetes associated TB. The other such group is patients suffering from diabetes. According to the report, 20% of all TB cases in India also suffer from diabetes. And in 2019, among the notified TB patients under the revised National TB Control Program, 64% were screened for diabetes. And the missing patients is another thing mentioned by this report. The report highlighted that notification of TB is a major hurdle in the surveillance of disease in India. Nearly 0.54 million TB cases are still missing across India. And lower reporting than WHO is another issue. According to a report, India notified a highest number of 24 lakh tuberculosis cases last year, that is in 2018, and it is as against estimated 26 lakh cases reported by WHO. So indicating that around 3 lakh patients missed out from the national TB program. And then we have the low fatality rate. It stated that 79,144 deaths due to tuberculosis were reported in 2019, which is much lower than a WHO estimate of 4.4 lakh fatalities. And also the treatment success rate, that is, it is around 70 to 73% in the last 2 years. From 2014 to 2016, it was between 76 and 77%. So that is regarding the India Tuberculosis Report 2020. Now we discuss a few initiatives by India. There are few initiatives by India to tackle tuberculosis. First one is the Nikshay ecosystem. It is the national TB information system, which is a one-stop solution to manage information of patients and monitor program activity and performance throughout the country. Then we have the Nikshay Poshan Yojana. This scheme is aimed at providing financial support to TB patients for their nutrition. And then we have a TB Harega Desh Jeetega campaign, which was launched in September 2019. It is showcasing the highest level of commitment for the elimination of TB. And then we have the Saksham project. It is a project of Tata Institute of Social Science that has been providing psychosocial counseling to these TB patients. So that is regarding the initiatives by India. And it's a very important topic, guys, always relevant to the mains preparation. And also these initiatives are very important to the prelims examination. So please study about this in detail. We'll meet tomorrow with another topic. Thank you for watching this lesson.